Let's learn how to write numbers. Number 1. One standing line makes our number 1. Number 2. A curve and a sleeping line to the bottom makes our number 2. Number 3. Curve to the middle and curve to the bottom makes our number 3. Number 4. A slanting line, sleeping line and a standing line makes our number 4. Number 5. A sleeping line, a standing line and a curve to the bottom makes our number 5. Number 6. A curve and a circle makes my number 6. Number 7. A sleeping line and a slanting line makes my number 7. Number 8. Make an S and shut the gate makes my number 8. Number 9. A circle and a standing line makes my number 9. Number 10. First a line, then a 0 makes my number 10. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.